Hi friends, this is Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBut143. In this tutorial, I will show you how to customize the quick access toolbar in Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. Open PowerPoint 2007. In my previous tutorial, we have shown how to use interface. Quick access toolbar is a customizable toolbar that contains a set of frequently used commands that are independent of the tab that is currently displayed. To add the commands to the quick access toolbar, there are multiple ways. Click on Office button and select PowerPoint options. Here come to customize. Now it is showing the popular commands. We can select the required commands and click on add. Otherwise click on the arrow and select the location to choose the commands from. And we can add and remove buttons from quick access toolbar. I'm selecting open, click on add. Similarly, I want to add draw table, add. And if you want to remove a specific command, select the command and click on remove. And we can also change the sequence by clicking on move up and down arrows. And if you want to customize quick access toolbar to specific presentation, click on the arrow next to for all documents, and here please select the presentation. Now we can create a quick access toolbar only applicable for this presentation. And click on OK, and on the top it is showing the customized quick access toolbar. Again come to the Office button, click on PowerPoint options, come to customize, and if you want to reset the commands and quick access toolbar, click on reset, and then you can select your selected commands to your quick access toolbar. And if you want to place this toolbar below the ribbon, please check in the box show quick access toolbar below the ribbon, and after that click on OK. Now we got the quick access toolbar below the ribbon. And in other method, click on the arrow which indicates customize quick access toolbar, and we can select and deselect the commands showing here. And currently displaying the buttons on quick access toolbar will be seen checked. I want to uncheck, open, and again we can add the commands. And if you don't find the required commands here, click on more commands. Again it will open PowerPoint options and follow the same procedure as we discussed above. I want to uncheck show quick access toolbar below the ribbon, click on OK. And we can also add a command to quick access toolbar directly from commands that are displaying on the ribbon. Come to ribbon and right click on appropriate command, tab or group you want to display it on quick access toolbar, and then select add to quick access toolbar. Again to remove them, come to more commands, select the commands, click on remove. OK. One important note that only commands can be added to the quick access toolbar. The contents of most lists such as indent and spacing values and individual styles which also appear on the ribbon cannot be added to the quick access toolbar. Like this we can customize quick access toolbar in Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITBut143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.